Namaste. Welcome to today's episode on Swastha Manasa, that is, dance for the enhancement of mental health. Mind is worthless because it needs body for the expression. Similarly, body is worthless without the presence of mind. Thus, mind, body and spirit are related inherently for the existence of life. There is no point in keeping yourself physically fit if you are mentally disturbed, because health is a package of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. Now, how to keep up your mental health balanced from dancing? Here we go.
Dancing is a process of self-exploration from the inner impulses. This process connects an individual to the rhythm of nature, reminding the purpose of life and knowing life is beautiful and it is worth living. It can be used as therapy, typically in those areas where usually verbal counseling or talks do not help, where a person encounters non-verbal issue. Dancing can influence perception. It encourages creativity through use of time and space. Dancing is a form of body-oriented psychotherapy that diverts mind on advanced body movement as well as programmed body movement. This will enhance salitogenesis and brain plasticity. What is this brain plasticity? It is ability to change structural and psychological aspects of brain or a neuron. Hence, dancing will enhance salitogenesis and brain plasticity through sensory motor skill and creative program in the brain to both gray and white matter associated with motor and auditory function. Thus, a dance art therapy are kinesiotherapeutic that are passive and active muscular movements. It will enhance physical, mental, cognitive and emotional well-being. Dancing is a natural phenomena and a basic instinct. All creatures dance to express various emotions. Hence, mental illness will increase as we don't dance. Calories burn, energy gets utilized during dancing. So naturally, one will have increased appetite. A good appetite followed with good food ingestion gives good nutrition that ensures good mental health too. The natural tiredness caused due to dancing makes the person go to good sleep. A good sleep heals many wounds of mind. Dancing influences somatization and interperceptional sensitivity. The probable mode of action 1. We all know that music is an integral part of dance. Many a times, music itself is a healer. Basically, music stimulates the brain. Dancing to music activates motor and sensory coordination of the brain. When we dance, there will be different synchronizing functions between different regions of the brain. The synchronization happens between emotion and the memory process. The probable mode of action 2. Dancing can reverse or slow down the aging process of brain. Learning new steps, new movements, new dance sequence, memorizing the sequence and forms will exercise more parts of brain. The brain functions in a better coordination with different regions, especially mirror neuron system, premotor cortex as well as parietal cortex. Due to these neurological benefits, the diseases like schizophrenia, dementia, Parkinson's disease, autism, depression, body dysmorphic disorder, eating disorder can be prevented. It can also prevent multiple sclerosis and stroke. The probable mode of action 3. When we dance in a group, there will be a social interaction due to which depression and dementia can be prevented. It increases empathy and emotional cohesion. During group dancing or partner dancing, we communicate, share, express and improvise ourselves. When the audience give appraisals, clap or applaud for the performance, it will boost up your self-confidence and livelihood. Who doesn't like appraisals? The stiff body usually says about possession, decreased confidence, holding on the emotion or increased inhibition. But dancing loosens them all. Soon an individual turns into an extrovert. It evolves a person from concrete movements to a working metaphor. This reduces anxiety, depression, lethargy and boredom. It is the best way to kill time with fun. The probable mode of action 4. Dancing releases adrenaline that gives you a strong motive, intense power, and a sharp determination to stay focused at your task. Endorphins that makes you feel happy and look cheerful. Serotonin can bring sleep, relaxation, and achieve contentment. Dopamine that gives you a great physical balance and makes you a better multitasker. Ayurveda interpretation on this subject are as follows. Manas or mind is situated all over the body according to Ayurveda. Every cell of our body has manas and hence they can feel. Therefore, physical exertion influences psychology. Nritya increases sattva bala or mental tolerance as well as mental stability. This makes us more composed with our temper. Nritya increases rajasa guna, which is active phase of vata, that is sensory or motor functions. But it decreases aggressive phase of pitta. Natyabhyasa destroys tamoguna. Tamoguna are those qualities which imply dullness, inactive stage, lethargic as well as ignorance. So this state of mind will be destroyed and it brings about brightness as well as freshness. When you respond to the lyrics in the music through giving expressions while dancing, it will help explode out all the inhibited expressions. Strong mind can achieve more than a strong body. Many dreadful diseases like cancer needs a strong positive motive in the mind to get healed. Dancing helps to excrete the dirt of mind. It is a good recreational activity to prevent and get rid of unhealthy addictions. Dancing is a way of worship where you render your prayers to some force you trust that it can heal all pain. Let us hear what an expert from Manasaroga say on this. Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty, a leading specialist in Manasaroga, that is Department of Psychiatry, is with us to throw some light on his perception of dance on mental health.
Dance can also have various impact. Do we have any research on dance? See, there is a specialized branch of psychology called as dance psychology, which talks about the impact of the dance and the dancers on the psychological well-being or the emotional well-being of an individual, and to look at how scientific this aspect of dance is all about. See, there has been many research. I'll quote a few of them where they say that they've done an extensive research on patients suffering with depression, and they say that by doing a dance therapy for 12 weeks, the symptoms of the depression has come down drastically. Not only during the phase of dance practice, but it has its sustained effect for more than 8 weeks. One more research was done on the teenagers who were suffering with mild to moderate depression, and they were advised with recreational dance for 12 weeks, and they were assessed 1 week before the dance and 1 week after the dance, and this found that there was significant improvement in their mood. They were feeling more energetic, they were feeling more happy, and there was a lot of sense of well-being, and they were said to be more creative, and their ability to think was more sharpened by this therapy of dance. Plenty of research has been done in the area of Parkinson's disease, where people have tried different types of dance, and they found that by doing dance, their movements, their stability, and their ability to concentrate has enormously increased by practicing the dance. So, to sum up, we can say that dance is an integral part of individual. People always think that I cannot dance. ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. I think my body do not allow me to dance. No. Dance is for everybody. Everybody who want to be happy, who want to be healthy, should practice various forms of dance. It is not only performing dance, but even watching dance also has to be having a lot of psychological benefits. So based on your constitution, based on your interest, and based on your age, you can always take up various types of dance, and by doing so, you can definitely be happy and healthy.
To conclude, if you are a dancer, continue to dance. If you are a beginner, start to dance. Just dance as if no one is watching and explore your suppressed emotions. Cleanse your mind because mind is a beautiful servant but a dangerous master.
Dim tanana dim 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 tirana 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 tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam jam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim dim tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana na tajam jam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim dim tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim dim tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim 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 tirana tilana tajam jam tanadirana dim tanana dim dim tirana tilana tajam tanadirana dim tanana dim dim tirana dim tirana dim tirana